In this video, I will share something most procurement managers never think about until it is too late. Rajan was a product development head at an automotive components company. His team had spent 2 years developing a proprietary suspension component. The geometry was unique, their competitive advantage. The patent was still pending. They sent the drawing to 5 vendors for quotation. Standard practice: no NDA, no restricted use clause, just a drawing and a request for quote. 18 months later, a competitor launched a near identical component. Same geometry, same key dimensions, different name on the box. Rajan never proved where the drawing went, but he knew exactly when it left his control. Hello, I am Rahul Agarwal, Managing Director at Prestech Forgings and Engineering Private Limited, and I help procurement teams source forgings without costly mistakes. When you send a drawing to a vendor, you share the most detailed description of your product that exists. Every dimension tolerance, material specification and design intent your team built over this. Most suppliers send it like a price list, an attachment to multiple vendors, no conditions are attached. The uncomfortable truth is that a vendor with your drawing has everything needed to make your part or to share it with someone who will. Most vendors are honest, but most is not all. Once your drawing leaves your inbox, you have no visibility into where it goes, and without a legal framework, no recourse. So how do you protect your design IP before you share a single drawing? 4 steps. 1. NDA before drawing. Have the vendor sign before you share anything, not after the quote. A serious vendor signs without hesitation. One who resists is uncomfortable with accountability, and that is information. 2. Restricted use clause on the drawing. A note in the title block: confidential, for quotation and manufacturing only, not to be shared. It establishes intent and strengthens your position. 3. Share only what is necessary. For a quote, a simplified envelope drawing with key dimensions is enough. Share the full drawing only with the vendor you select. Number 4. Audit their drawing control. Who has the access? What happens when the relationship ends? A vendor with restricted access, named individuals, and return or destruction on contract ends takes this seriously. Rajan introduced all 4 after this experience. He told me, Rahul, I cannot prove what happened, but I can make sure it never happens again. Your drawing took years to develop. Protecting it takes 15 minutes of paperwork. There is no reason not to. In my next video, I will tell about the early warning signs that a vendor is about to miss your delivery. Thank you and see you in my